In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on smooth scrolling in Firefox step by step so your browsing feels much cleaner and more comfortable right away. If you've ever noticed that scrolling through pages feels a little jumpy or harsh, this simple setting can make a big difference. It only takes a minute, and the best part is that Firefox applies the change instantly. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips and easy browser guides. Let's jump in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder, depending on your device. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-line menu icon, also known as the hamburger menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open the main Firefox settings page, where you can control privacy, performance, accessibility, and more. Now, inside Settings, click Accessibility. This section contains helpful options that are designed to improve how Firefox behaves while you browse. After that, scroll down fully until you find the setting labeled Use to Move Scrolling. Depending on your screen size and Firefox version, you may need to scroll a little more to reach it, so take your time and look carefully through the accessibility options. When you see Use to Move Scrolling, check the box next to it to enable the feature. As soon as you turn it on, Firefox will apply the change immediately. That means you do not need to restart the browser, refresh your settings, or sign out and back in. You can simply go back to any web page and start scrolling right away to notice the difference. Smooth scrolling helps make page movement feel more fluid and easier on the eyes, especially when you're reading long articles, browsing social media, or moving through long web pages. It's a small change, but it can make your overall Firefox experience feel much more polished and comfortable. If you ever want to turn it off later, just return to the same accessibility section and uncheck the box. That's all there is to it. You've now turned on smooth scrolling in Firefox in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Firefox and browser tutorials, and let me know in the comments what setting you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.